Hey guys, simple and quick video here. So installing VS Code on Windows 10. First we're going to go to the Visual Studio Code site. We're going to download for Windows. Download starts. We're going to bring up virus total, just like we do for everything we download, to be sure that it is in fact clean and something that we're willing to use. Download's done, so let's scan it. Looks good to me. Let's run it. Accept the agreement. That's okay to install there. Yes, I'd like a shortcut in the start menu. I'd also like a desktop icon, just initially. And then these others are actually really nice. So open with code action from the Windows Explorer file context menu. What that's going to allow us to do is we'll be able to go into a directory like downloads, and we'll have an option here to open the folder. Then open with code action from the directory context menu. Oh, I got them backwards. File context is if we click on the file, we'll be able to open it with code. Directory context is what I just told you. So we'd be able to open this entire directory. So we'll take both of those and then register code as an editor for supported file types. Yes, that sounds good. Add to path. This is going to allow us, if we were to have a command prompt somewhere, we could do code dot meaning this directory, and it would bring up VS Code in this directory. So we will do all of those, and I'll show you those in just a minute after the install completes. We're all done with the browser too, so I'll close that. All right, and rather than launch it this way, we'll start doing it the ways I talked about. So we have open with code. So if we do this, we'll see everything in this directory. In the newest version of VS Code, it now asks if you want to trust the authors of the files, and it enables additional things if you do trust them. I'll say yes, I trust them. We have some initial setup. I like the dark theme. I think it's good. You might like a different one. And we will close this out. So actually, I'd like to show you that this dynamically updates as you add files in here. So if we were to create a new file, like a.text, we see it appear right here. It's a little goofy just because in Windows, we're not showing the extensions. So when I did a.text, it got two texts, but VS Code is smart enough to know which one is which. If we wanted to open a specific file, like a.text, open with code, cool, do whatever we're interested in. And then finally, given a command prompt, so let's do this. This is the path edition, code dot, meaning dot, the current directory should be open. We can see everything displayed. So next we'll talk about how to configure this for Java. Thanks.